Ever felt the pain of a long bike ride? The dreaded saddle soreness that can ruin your cycling experience? Well, say goodbye to discomfort. Today, we're diving into a revolutionary product that promises to change the way you ride, the VRider bike seat. Unlike traditional bike seats, the VRider is a dynamic masterpiece. It's the world's first virtual axis bicycle seat. This means it moves with you, mimicking the natural motion of your body. Imagine a seat that adapts to your every pedal stroke, providing unparalleled comfort and support. The secret lies in its innovative split seat design. Each side moves independently, allowing your legs to rotate naturally around your hip joints. This revolutionary approach transfers pressure away from your sensitive sit bones and onto your stronger femurs, ensuring even weight distribution. But that's not all. The VRider offers incredible customization. Adjust the angle and width to find your perfect riding position. Whether you're a seasoned cyclist or a casual rider, there's a VRider setting for you. Experience the difference a truly comfortable bike seat can make. Tired of juggling your phone while riding? Say goodbye to distractions and hello to the future of navigation. Introducing the Bluecap Moto, the world's first motorcycle navigation sunglasses. Imagine having a real-time map projected directly into your field of vision. No more looking down at your phone, risking accidents. Bluecap Moto's cutting-edge AR technology displays turn-by-turn directions right in your sunglasses. It's like having a personal navigator right there with you. And when you've passed an intersection, the map seamlessly fades away, leaving you with a clear view of the road ahead. Control your navigation effortlessly with the included handlebar remote. Want to see the map? Just tap the dedicated map button. Need to hide it? Another tap does the trick. Leave your phone safely tucked away in your pocket. Bluecap Moto syncs with the Bluecap app via Bluetooth, giving you all the navigation you need without draining your phone's battery or risking damage from vibrations. With a battery life built for all-day rides, Bluecap Moto is your ultimate riding companion. From the outside, they look like stylish sunglasses, but inside, they're packed with advanced technology. Cycling in low-light conditions can be a real challenge. Visibility is key to staying safe. Introducing the Aura Unit 1 Smart Cycling System, a revolutionary approach to bike safety and convenience. Let's start with the centerpiece, the Aura Smart Helmet. This isn't just a helmet, it's a beacon of safety. Packed with powerful integrated lights, you'll be seen from every angle. Its sleek design and comfortable fit make it perfect for any ride. But the Aura experience goes beyond the helmet. The smart lights are like tiny powerhouses. Magnetically mount them anywhere on your bike. Frame, handlebars, saddle, and enjoy their versatility. They can even switch from front to rear light, depending on your needs. To top it off, the navigation remote is your ride's command center. With a simple tap, you can control your entire system, turn signals, brake lights, and even power up your devices, all at your fingertips. And it all comes together with our user-friendly app. Customize your lights, track your rides, and stay connected. It's your personal command center for the Aura ecosystem. Navigating on a bike can be a real headache. Between maps, GPS, and traffic, it's easy to lose focus on the joy of riding. That's where the Beine Velo 2 comes in. The Beine Velo 2 is more than just a navigation device. It's your sleek, minimalist companion for unforgettable rides. Its compact design fits seamlessly on your bike, and the clear interface provides all the information you need without overwhelming you. Planning your route is a breeze with the Beine app. Create custom routes or import GPX files from your favorite platforms. But the real magic happens with Beine Smart Routing. Drawing on the collective wisdom of thousands of riders, it suggests optimal routes based on a proprietary road rating system. Imagine riding on roads that have been vetted by fellow cyclists. With Beine, you're not just navigating, you're discovering. Whether you're a seasoned cyclist or a casual rider, the Beine Velo 2 simplifies your journey. Cycling in today's world demands more than just a bike. It demands safety. Introducing the CLE Fly 6 Pro, your ultimate cycling companion, engineered to protect you every ride. With its ultra-crisp 4K video, you'll capture every detail, every incident, with stunning clarity. And with a wide 145-degree field of view, you'll never miss a thing happening behind you. But safety isn't just about capturing incidents, it's about preventing them. That's why the Fly 6 Pro is equipped with a powerful 100-lumen dual LED system, making you highly visible to other road users. And with up to 7 hours of continuous recording and light, you're covered for even the longest rides. Its auto-looping recording ensures you always have space for crucial footage, while the incident protection mode automatically locks important clips for safekeeping. Engineered to withstand the elements, the Fly 6 Pro is IP67 certified, meaning it's dust-proof and waterproof. And with electronic image stabilization, your footage will always be smooth, even on the roughest roads. Transferring your footage is a breeze with the Fly 6 Pro's 5 GHz Wi-Fi, allowing for fast and efficient file transfers. Rain, the age-old enemy of cyclists. It's a battle most of us have lost countless times. But what if there was a way to conquer the elements and enjoy your ride, rain or shine? Introducing the Boncho, the ultimate bike poncho. Unlike ordinary raincoats, the Boncho is designed specifically for cyclists. It covers you from head to toe, including your legs and feet, ensuring you stay completely dry while pedaling. The secret lies in its unique extended structure that covers your handlebars, creating a protective shield against the rain. Its innovative folding mechanism allows it to compactly fold into a small, easy-to-carry package. No more bulky rain gear taking up precious space in your bag. Crafted from high-quality materials, the Boncho is strong, stylish, and completely waterproof. It's the perfect blend of fashion and function. Don't let rain dictate your cycling adventures. Embrace the elements with the Boncho. It's time to redefine your riding experience. Ever wished for a simpler, safer way to protect your bike? Introducing Brightlok, the revolutionary 2-in-1 bike lock and light. Forget about juggling multiple accessories. Brightlok combines a rock-solid U-lock with a powerful 360-degree lighting system, all in one compact package. This tough-as-nails U-lock is built with hardened steel and a double deadbolt, ensuring your bike is secure against theft. But Brightlok is more than just a lock. Its detachable light modules transform your bike into a beacon, illuminating your path and making you highly visible to other road users. With a range of light settings up to 1,000 lumens, you'll always be seen, day or night. Whether you're commuting through the city or embarking on a night ride, Brightlok has you covered. Its rugged construction withstands even the harshest conditions, ensuring your bike is protected and you're visible, no matter the weather. Say goodbye to the hassle of carrying multiple accessories. Brightlok is the ultimate all-in-one solution for cyclists who demand both security and visibility. These 7 bike accessories and gadgets are all about making your rides more comfortable, safe, and fun. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome bike gear reviews. Ride safe, everyone.